Greetings, friends. This is Father Jeff Kirby, and first of all, I'm so grateful for your support and being a part of Daily Discipleship with Father Kirby. And friends, I want to share with you some good news. I got this package from YouTube, and inside this package is actually one of their plaques. So when you get 100,000 followers, then what happens is you actually get designated an official YouTube influencer. Watch out, you know. And then you get this nice silver plaque. So I want to check this out. It's the first time we're looking at it. I want you to be a part of this because you're the ones that are making this possible. So let's check it out. Oh man, well that looks all fancy, doesn't it? Okay, there's the official letter. Okay, good. Oh goodness, friends. Woo, look at that. Fancy stuff, huh? Look at that. Wow. Thank you very much for being a part of this YouTube channel. It's all about discipleship. It's all about trying to understand what it means to be a follower of Jesus Christ, about living the gospel. So things like this, oh, they're nice. Let's take the plastic off. It's nice, but it really is more what it represents, which is our desire to take our discipleship seriously, to learn more about what it means to be a follower of Jesus Christ, and to do our best to be the best Christians that we can. So thank you for making this possible. God bless you.